Alright, today we're going to fix this AireQuipt 135. This is a fancy slide projector. It's electrified. It's got a little wired control. And it's electric. So let's power it up and see what it does. Let's see. Light works. Turn that off, don't need it on. Let's see if the electronic functions work. Yep, that works. Doesn't go back though. This button's supposed to advance the slides, but it's not doing it. All I hear is a solenoid engaging. So I need some repair. Let's get to it. So I think to get to one of these, you just take off this bottom plate. I believe so. So we're gonna do that. Oh god. Oh, that's pretty rusty. Must be a screw. Oh wow. Look at this. I was right about solenoid. Oh. So this little electric motor right here is what drives the Oh, okay, there's a belt right here. And it's slipping. Alright, so that... Let's just spray a little WD-40. Haha! That's what I want to see. Alright, I got it fixed. I got the tighter belt back on. It's, for lights. Wait. Alright, here we go. Light on. It is fixed. Now I gotta get that film screen fixed. That looks like Florida. That's a cave. I don't know what that says. That slide may not be in right. Fixed. When you turn off the bulb on these, leave the fan running because it'll cool down the bulb, because you don't want to just shut off the projector with the bulb hot. It can melt off the connecting wire to the filament, thus killing the bulb. But I got that fixed in pretty good nick of time. That's fixed. And just about time for me to skedaddle. There's an order I made. It's a repair kit for this. This is an upcoming video. Some old civil defense equipment. But I'm waiting on the repair kit so I could begin the video on that, because I want to get that modernized where it'll last longer. More about that when I get the kit, if I even get the kit. USPS has been acting weird. It's literally saying available for pickup when it should be delivered. It was out for delivery, now it's available for pickup. I don't know why. The mail came today. I'm not picking it up. No one's gonna take me. But it's whatever. I even cleaned that lens. It's a lot better now. Alright, lamp's cooled down. Oh yeah. That fan motor is got a nice spin down now. So this is ready.